One look and you knew it was Google, right? If you use internet and the fact that you are watching this video, I'm 100% sure that you know what Google is, what Google does and how it look like, right? If we see the trademark registry, we would realize that it is a registered trademark and hence we can't copy it, imitate it or create a similar brand. Great, we can't copy this because it's a well-known brand. Moreover, it's a registered trademark, right? But wait a second, what about this? Put a thumbs up in this video if you have figured it out. These are Google Doodles. On certain occasion, Google, instead of using its conventional logo, uses a modified version of its logo, often called as Google Doodle. And if you see the trademark registry, you would realize that these doodles are not registered technically, so you would feel like, can we copy it or not? So here the video starts. To know if we could copy this or not, we have to understand that, like, come on, we all know that we want to be able to copy, imitate or use those doodle as our own brand name. The question should have been more like, why can't we use it? And here comes the concept of fluid trademark. In these COVID times, we have been seeing many brand company tweaking their logos. For example, we have seen Amul girl wearing the mask. We have also seen the Starbucks mermaid wearing the mask as well. Why? To promote wearing mask in the COVID times. The COVID times where people are maintaining social distance. Now we have talked about social distance, then let's talk about these brands. McDonald's is splitting its logo M, Audi is splitting its ring, Volkswagen is splitting its V and W, and Coca-Cola distancing its alphabet, and hence promoting social distancing in these COVID times. Did we see a pattern here? There is a registered trademark, there is a well-known brand actually, and these well-known brands tweak their logo, modify their logo based on the trend, the timing, to stay relevant, and this is what is called as fluid trademark. Now, this concept of fluid trademark work with the well-known brand. Like, why? Because you don't know what this brand is and hence you won't be able to understand what this brand is, right? It will create confusion, and that's why the concept of fluid trademark work well with the well-known brand. Now the question comes that why can't we use these modified marks? These are different from the original mark, they are not even registered, and most importantly they look dope. Then why? The answer is that in order to invoke a trademark infringement, exact copy pasting of the brand is not required. We now know that in the concept of fluid trademark, the basic feature remain the same. It is the extra elements that are added to it. So if you are copying the fluid mark, you are also copying the basic feature of it, and that's why there would be trademark infringement. Now you would say that okay, cool, I got it, but is there any legal perspective to it? So let's talk about Indian legal system. So if we see the Trademark Act, the Trademark Act is totally silent about it. Though the section 15 of the draft manual of Trademark 2015 does talk about it. It talks about different design but substantial resemblance. But sadly, this is not a law, it is just a draft. So the only way that is left is to look into the judicial precedent. So if we see the case of Procter & Gamble versus Joy Creator, we would see that Delhi High Court ruled that in order to invoke the trademark infringement, one exactly does not need to copy paste the whole brand. If there is substantial resemblance, it would invoke trademark infringement. And hence, indirectly, our Indian legal system protects the fluid trademarks. Because fluid mark has same basic feature as the original mark, it is just the extra element that is added to it. So I guess we got the answer. We can't copy, we can't imitate, we can't create similar brand to a fluid trademark. Because if we do that, it will lead to trademark infringement. And that's it. If by any chance this video gave any value to you, hit the like button, and in future if you want to see more such content, then hit the subscribe button. Thank you.